Demonstrate how to set up modular vacuum clamping table. Shoulder-to-shoulder splicing. Prepare 2 M1055 hexagonal screws with round flat washer and T-nut. Lift the round flat washer and snap it into the pressure plate groove of the vacuum table. Make sure the round flat washer can press the pressure plate groove. Aligning the vacuum clamping table. Tighten the fixing nut with an Allen wrench. Then fix the T-nuts on the left and right sides. Aluminum replacement plates can be installed on the vacuum table surface. Aluminum replacement can be resurfaced with a flat bottom milling cutter. Therefore, the good flatness of the two clamping surfaces after splicing can be guaranteed. Tighten all fixing screws. Two branch vacuum hoses are separated through the T. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Turn on the switch and the vacuum. The gauge reading can remain stable. For splicing, aluminum replacement plates are usually installed. This is just a demonstration, no replacement plate is installed. Place the workpiece and turn on the switch. The workpiece is clamped. The entire clamping area is 300 mm 800 mm. The width of both gaps is 12.8 mm. Gap length 65 mm. Used M1055 screws. Screw diameter 9.8 mm. Demonstrated tail-to-tail splicing again. A clamping area of 400 mm 600 mm can be obtained. Use T-nuts to fix the four sides. Use a T to split into two branches to supply vacuum to two vacuum tables respectively. Test that the vacuum table is working properly. The workpiece can be clamped well. Existing automatic vacuum coolant separators can be used. If the existing vacuum pump flow rate exceeds 20 meters H, no additional vacuum pump is required.